Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I have for you an Empties video. I have quite a bit of product in front of me today, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to talk about is the BioClean Citrus Essence Laundry Liquid. It is a plant-based laundry detergent. It does 128 loads in this little bottle. I say little, it's kind of big, but for it to do 128 loads, this is a little bottle. You need just the tiniest amount in this little cap, and it cleans your laundry really well. It says it has the citrus essence scent. You can smell it out of the bottle, but whenever your clothes come out of the wash, it just smells really clean. None of the scent lingers or anything. So you just have clean smelling laundry. The next product I have is the 7th generation natural dish liquid, and it is in the unscented or free and clear, they call it. It says it has no fragrance, dyes, or triclosan. I really love this. I've been using it for a couple of years now. I get it on Amazon, subscribe and save. It comes in a pack of 6. That's the most inexpensive way I've found to buy this. And by the way, this one I pick up from Vitacost. So yeah, I really like this. I will buy it over and over again until something better comes along. And then the next product I have is the Alafia Everyday Shea Body Wash. I got the unscented this time. I usually get the eucalyptus and tea tree, the black soap version of it, but the last time I put in an order through Vitacost, they didn't have it. So I went for this, and it's nice. Like I said, it's unscented, but I can get a little whiff of that. Sometimes, you know, shea butter has that very distinct smell, and I can smell it in this. It didn't bother me or anything, but I thought I would note it for those who might want to know. But it has really clean ingredients. It has neem leaf, shea butter, and coconut oil. It says it's fair trade, handcrafted, no synthetic fragrance. It's vegan, no animal testing, gluten-free, paraben-free, and biodegradable. So yeah, I really like this brand. It does come with a pump, but I took it off to save because that one shower gel that we like from this line, like I was talking about, the black soap version, doesn't come with a pump. So I saved the pump, and like I always say, I love that it comes in a 32-ounce bottle because our whole family uses it, so I don't have to keep buying body wash over and over. And then from the same brand, Allafia Everyday Shea, this is their Bubble Bath Gentle for babies and up. I got it in the scent Eucalyptus Mint, again with a 32-ounce bottle. It has really clean ingredients, like I said about the body wash also, and we really like it. It's a nice bubble bath. You don't need to use a ton. You get a lot of bubbles, so we really like that. The next product I have is all rolled up, but it's the Coral Kids fluoride-free toothpaste in berry bubblegum. That's what it looks like. My kiddos love this because it tastes really good in the berry bubblegum flavor, but I love it because it has no fluoride, no synthetic colors, no SLS, and no glycerin. It has really good ingredients. You get remineralization of your teeth from the coral calcium. It's sweetened with xylitol and stevia. We already have one in our bathroom, and I will buy this over and over again. And we also like the adult version of this. And then a couple of Acure products. I have their ultra hydrating shampoo and conditioner. This is like ride or die product for my hair. I absolutely love this. I've tried others that are more expensive and promises to give you the sun and moon. They don't deliver. This my hair absolutely loves. It says it's for normal, dry, damaged, or curly hair, and I have curly hair. It has really good ingredients. It's vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. I will buy this over and over again. I already have a set in my bathroom already going. And then another thing that I love from Acure is their body lotion. This particular one is calming. It's scented with lavender, and it does smell like lavender, but it's not the lavender that I like. I love their unscented ones better. I like the formula and the hydration that their lotion provides, but the scent I don't feel is for me. I've tried the calming one with the lavender, like I said, this is one I'm holding, and the lemongrass one I also don't care for. So I really love their unscented ones. The scent doesn't really linger on the skin, so it doesn't really bother me. But when I do repurchase, and I will get the unscented version of this. I have a couple more going, an unscented one and the lemongrass one in my bathroom. And this is also one that I like to take to work because I wash my hands a lot at work, and this one, it provides a great amount of hydration, but it doesn't leave your hands feeling greasy or anything. It absorbs in really quick. which is important whenever you wash your hands and then you have to put on gloves again over and over. So I really love their Acure lotions. And then speaking of rose water, I just use the Heritage Stores rose water. I got this in a 3-pack from Amazon. I do believe this is my second one, and my third one is in my bathroom, already half gone. I like to mix this in a spray bottle. If you've watched any of my recent videos, you've seen that little pink spray bottle that I have half George's aloe and half rose water. This is the rose water that I use, and it's just vortexed water and rose essential oil, so it doesn't have any like humectants or occlusives in it. So it's just plain rose water. So I really love this. We'll buy it over and over again, and it's so inexpensive too. So I love that. And then I have 3 food items that are just kind of randomly thrown in here. I have the fresh fruit Spry chewing gum, sweetened with xylitol, dental defense system, it says. It has really good ingredients. The boys love this. I put 1 in each of their stockings. They got the fresh fruit flavor, and then my husband and I got the spearmint flavor. I love that it doesn't have like artificial sweeteners like aspartame or anything like that. It tastes really good, and the flavor lasts a good 30 seconds, and then you're just chewing on flavorless gum. But that being said, I love taking this to work with me, or whenever we go out to eat and you kind of want to freshen your breath a little bit, and this does the trick. So yeah, we'll repurchase. I got this from Vitacost. And then the last food product is the Enjoy Life Lemon Blueberry Poppy Seed. It's milk-free, nut-free, and soy-free. I liked it with coffee. The texture is quite, like it's trying to absorb every moisture in your mouth. I got this for our road trip for Christmas, actually. I got 2 flavors. The Lemon Blueberry Poppy Seed is the better one of the 2. I think the other one is like a caramel flavor, and I didn't really care for that. Same texture. I would not repurchase this because of that texture. Like I said, it's really good with coffee when you're drinking it with something. It tastes kind of like, it has like a powdery texture. Like I said, trying to absorb every moisture in your mouth. So will not repurchase. I mean, it's good if you're trying to avoid all kinds of allergens, because that's what Enjoy Life is all about. But yeah, I just wanted to try this, was not pleased. So the rest are all skincare products and a makeup product. So let's do the makeup product really fast. This is the Honest Beauty Mascara, Truly Lush Mascara. I've used the heck out of this. Obviously it's empty, and a lot of the writing has worn off. So it has a lash primer on one end and the actual mascara on the other end. So that's what the wand looks like. I really like this wand. I didn't think I would in the beginning because I'm like, where are all the bristles? But I love this because I have really hooded eyes, as you can see, and whenever I apply it, it doesn't make my eyelashes touch my eyelids, if that makes sense. I get a lot of volume from this with just 1 coat of the mascara. If I do layer it with the primer and the mascara, sometimes it can get clumpy, but the bristles are really good at separating your lashes if it does. So far this is my favorite mascara. I've tried many. I'm actually getting ready to do a mascara face-off video, so keep a lookout for that. But spoiler alert, this is my favorite. I already have a new one going, and that's what I'm wearing right now with just 1 coat. So it's really good and super volumizing. Love this. The next couple of products that I have is from Pi. This is their Instant Calm Camellia and Rose Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. I absolutely love this. It says it's formulated for dry and sensitive skin, which mine really tends to be dry in the winter. So I really enjoyed this. I got this in their Credo's Friends and Family sale in the fall, and it lasted me a good 3 months. I did not, however, repurchase because it's like 50 bucks. And so I tried the Mad Hippie Creamy Cleanser, and it's like pretty much an exact dupe. I really love this. I didn't have to use an oil cleanser or anything to remove my makeup. This removes makeup really well. I just wet my face and then put a couple of pumps of this and then melt my makeup off. Use the washcloth that came in the kit. Every time you buy this, you get a washcloth, I believe. You can get it on Amazon too. And yeah, it removes makeup really well. It leaves your skin hydrated and never ever stripped. So I really like this. but like I said, I found a cheaper dupe. That's what I'm using now, and it's the Mad Hippie Cream Cleanser. So love this, but found a cheaper alternative. Oh, and it's in this packaging that I kind of have a love-hate relationship with. It's like an airless pump, but you don't know how much of the product you have left until you have no product left because you can't see obviously how much is in here. So it lasted me a good 3 months. So there's that. And then in that kit also came the Instant Calm Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream. This was really good too. This is just a sample size, obviously. It's a really good face cream. Face cream is something that I could never be without. Not a fan of the chamomile scent though. It's very strong. It does go away after a couple of minutes, but not a fan of the scent. So I would say it's a fine moisturizer, but there are others that I like better. So the next product I have is the 100% pure caffeine mask. This came in a package of 5, and it's one of those hydrogel masks, and it says caffeine helps to reduce the appearance of sun-damaged skin and make skin appear more hydrated, healthier, and glowing. The hydrogel is composed of, it says, 95% water and 5% cellulose, made to intensely hydrate. The longer you leave it on your face, the thinner the hydrogel will become because your skin is absorbing all that hydration. It has really good ingredients. It has green tea, organic green coffee, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, vitamin C in the form of sodium ascorbate, and arbutin extract from bearberry, and glycerin. Really good ingredients. I wanted to love this more. Like, if it actually stayed on my skin and stayed in contact with my skin the whole entire time, I would love this more. I would totally repurchase. But because it didn't really fit my face properly, I feel like I had to lay down whenever I had it on, or if I would stand up, it would just fall out of my face. Yeah, it was just not an enjoyable product to use. I far prefer the Andalou Naturals sheet masks that they have now. We got one in the Petit Bour box and I absolutely loved it, and I want to get more. But this is will not repurchase. And then I have 7 more masks. I was gonna do all the masks I tried in 2017 video, but I never got around to it. So I'm just gonna run through them really fast. I have an empty of the Formulary 55 Rosehip and Clay Facial Mask, Geranium and Comfrey. This was okay. It has French White and Pink Clay, Rosehip Powder, Comfrey Root, and Rose Geranium Essential Oil. I really didn't feel like it did anything for my skin. Masking is one of those things that I want instant results. I don't know if that's a fair statement to make, but I didn't really feel like it did anything for my skin. So will not repurchase this. I have other masks that I like better. The next one is the Ku'u Lei Ipo by Facemask Alchemy. This is from a subscription box by Marie from In the Color Green, and this is really good. I love this. It has light clay, rose petal powder, white tea, rooibos tea, coconut milk. The thing with this though is you can't get it outside of the subscription. Sometimes whenever a mask is popular enough and a lot of people love it, she would make a bigger jar of it that you can purchase. But so far this has not been a favorite for the masses, so I guess she hasn't made like a full size of it. The only one that I know that she's made a full size of is I forget what it's called, but it's green, it has moringa powder in it. But anyways, that's supposed to be really good, and then a lot of people love it. But that was from before I subscribed to the Facemask Alchemy, so I haven't had a chance to try it. But that is one of the masks that she has available in full size. And then next here I have the Little Fox Cleopatra Restorative Milk and Honey Beauty Mask. This came in a Beauty Heroes box with the Little Fox Jungle Glow. This was the hero and this was the sidekick, but this was more of the hero for me. This was a powdered mask that you mix yourself, and it has papaya and pineapple enzymes in it, so it exfoliated your skin, and it's a clay mask, so it was also really good at putting minerals into your skin. So I really love this mask. Will repurchase this in the future. And then the Jungle Glow was just like It's a honey-based mask. I did a more in-depth review of this product. I will link it down below so I don't have to talk about it in this one. And then this is the Ayuna Essence Mask, another one that I did a more in-depth review of. And this is also a favorite. It costs an arm and a leg, $140 I think for this 1.7 ounce jar, or 2.7 ounce jar, but I think totally worth the money. I always talk about, like, you know, I wanted to find a cheaper dupe for more expensive things. But this one is quite unique in the application and removal process, and my skin absolutely loved this. So I will definitely repurchase this. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And yeah, another mask favorite. So these two so far are my favorite masks. And then the last mask that I have to talk about, and the last product, is the Bean by Mahalo Skincare, another one that came in the Beauty Heroes box, and it's an antioxidant mask to detox, purify, and tone. I love this. It smells like chocolate icing. It has kohl in it, activated charcoal, and oh my gosh, absolutely love the smell of this. It smells like chocolate icing. Did I already say that? And I've lost my train of thought because I absolutely love this mask. If for nothing else, I want the smell of this always. Can I get a candle in this scent? I love it. So that is the last of my empties, and my leg is falling asleep, so perfect timing. If you have any questions about any products that I mentioned today, don't forget to leave it on the comments down below. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!